So hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Ruth again, and to those that are new here, please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to comment, don't forget to hit that thumbs up. And today I'm so proud. I thank God for life, like just normal. Like I just thank God for today's life, waking up, breathing. God has given me another chance, but I just wanted to show you, like, I'm at work, as you can see, and people are not in, like, it's a board day. Today we have not get those clients that's as usual, but it's okay. But I just wanted to show you how the views look, or the place that I am. It's evening, but it depends from when you're watching the video or which time you'll be watching this video. So I just want to show you the view of place and all that. People, it's evening, so people are going home, coming back from work and going home. So I just want to show you the. So here we are. So here we are, as you can see, guys, people are moving, like the place looks so busy, People are hard working, let me just say that. Like people are working very, very hard, as you can see. Yeah, it looks so cool. The fact that I love seeing people working so hard, like daily basis. The views look so good. But thank you so much to those that are supporting this channel, It means a lot to me. As you can see, guys, people are busy. This is how the area look. This is how the area look. This is how it looks. But it's cool though, it's just cool. So let's just go to Couch side, and so that I can show you the views from that side. Mwenye gari amekam? Mwenye gari amekam? Agwambi? Say hi. So guys, this is how the views look from outside, as you can see. It's a busy area, so people are busy. Kwani uko mosha miguu? For real? Kama unamaliza sabuni? So this is the view from Cow. Now that there are no clients in, but that's okay. It is what it is. You know what? It's cool though. The students dress, so that's how the students dress. So here in Kenya, it's like we dress in uniform. We don't just go like, let me say, for example, in US or Sweden or these other countries where people go with where children go with their home clothes. No, here in Kenya it's different. People wear school uniform, and even our bus are different. Like they are all colored yellow. Like you will just know that these are school, or these are bus. These are school bus anyway. So guys, look at the bus. Those are the school bus. They are all painted yellow, so that's how they look. You just know these are school bus. So guys, here we go. so guys, here we go. Si vizuri kuinsult mtu, by the way. Si vizuri kuinsult mtu. Ama ni vile niambia watu washangi gari za washangi hizi gari. Si vizuri kuinsult mtu. Ama uliambia watu washangi gari unafanya kazi ya ofisi. It's not good to lie. It's not good to lie. It's not good to lie either. Wacha watu wakuone. Let's put on some light. So guys, here we are at the couch. So there is Wiki. So there is Wiki washing this. This is a client anyway. This is another one. And these are the guys that are washing these cars anyway. But guys, thank you so much for your support, and this is just the beginning of what I'm doing. I truly wanna do, but after all, maybe it's gonna be lit, like you're gonna explore some places, some food, cultures, anything like that. But you know, it is what it is. So now that I'm at work, and you know, every day you must chop, like you really have to. So it is what it is. But this is how the place looks. I don't like I just don't like the way the road looks, like this side road, because they will bus, and that's how the area looks. So it is what it is. So today I've tried to explore, like just to show you the place. You want to say hi?
Hey, hi. Hey, what's up, man?
What's up, my people, man? So guys, thank you so much to those that have been subscribing to the channel, and to those that are new, please don't forget to subscribe and all that. So feeling so tired, but it is what it is. Every day you must wake up and go look for something. But I just thank God for life and for the chance, you know, just waking up in the morning. That's a big deal for me. Like, it's a big deal. So we thank God for that. So to those that are new, don't forget to subscribe. To those that are been watching my videos, or to those that they are subscribing to the channel, please thank you so much. So hey guys, hope you're doing well. So let me say it's 1:30, and let me just show you the weather. Guys, this is the weather. This is how the weather is. It has been raining since yesterday, like, yeah.
Yeah, Mambo. How are you?
Yeah, it's a dip.
Unasikia?
Nioshe. Umeona haijafika kwa carpet, sasa achanga kunini sana. So. Wewe fikiria tu mwenyewe najua vile nacheza.
Ndio amefanya kuzima jana.
Kama naogopa kubreak kwa hii maji.
Naogopa.
Hapo ni riski gani natenda ama ndio?
Huyu si yule mwenye it's nice like silver and it's raining. So this is how the area looks so flooded, like what the hell? Just look at the area. When it rains, it just looks like countryside and all anyway, as usual, I'm still at work, just showing you how what's going on, not how it's going, what's going on and what is happening right now. So this is what it's happening. And it's raining so hard. Hey guys, so we are about to close the shop. So for me, before I close the shop, I make sure like I just clean the towel that I've used for today, you know, like yeah, that I've used for today. So guys, as I was telling you that I'm done, let me just show you. I'm done with them. And these are the smallest ones, so let's close and go home. So I'm trying to put this fruit so that I can eat tomorrow. My friend has just bring it to me. These are apples, so I'm just trying to put them here in so that when I come tomorrow I'll eat. Yeah, I don't want to go with them at home. I'll eat them tomorrow. So let me just show you what I carried. Like there was tea here. So in these are hot pot. I carried lunch in here. Like let me tell you, are still in like we are still here in Africa. We don't throw these things. So look, like it's my dish that I carried. I always use it to carry food. You see, we don't waste. We don't waste. We really don't. Like we don't play with the fucking money. So I just want to put them in a carrier bag. Let me put my camera here so that you can see. So guys, I'm telling you that I just want to put these things on a carrier bag. You know, they're here, so they're there. So I just want to put them in a carrier bag. I'm feeling so tired, like oh. Busy today, so I'm feeling so tired at the same time. But so guys, here we go again. Thank you so much for those that have been watching, you know, supporting. But people, please comment, say something positive, like tell me something, like am I doing good or I need to improve, you know. Just say something on a comment section, please. Just say something in a comment section. Just tell me something that, you know, let's be a positive. Let's be positive. Let's go with positivity, you know. I told you, let this channel be a positive to others, you know. Influence others, motivate others, something like that. So here we go. So this to lock the door. So this is what I'm going to use to lock the door. And here are the keys, you know. Here are the keys that I'm going to use to lock the door. So guys, I'm just confirming like everything is cool. Like those are car wash things. So I'm just confirming that everything is cool. And let me just, so now that it's 10:30, too late, but that's okay. So guys, thank you so much to all that have been watching my video. So please don't forget to subscribe. Let me just see which side has good lights. But so please don't forget to subscribe. Like don't forget to comment, say something positive, say something that can motivate me or motivate others too. But please say something that's good, it's nice. And to those that are watching from different countries or people that are watching, please don't forget to subscribe. Please push me to like let's hit 1,000 subscribers. Let's just do that, please. You can do this. Like let's just hit 1,000 subscribers. I'm going to give you all of my best, and I'm going, trust me, like I'm going to make sure that I give you all of my best and do this video with love and all that. Please make sure you don't forget to subscribe. And thank you so much. I love you. Thank you so much and goodbye. So let me just close and go back home, take some shower, get some rest, you know, as a girl. And you all know that hardworking does on me, you know. I promise you I will be posting consistently, like I'm going to do that inside of me, and this video I'm doing inside of me, and this is who I am, and I decided to show you all that this is who I am. That's all. Thank you so much. But let's meet again. Thank you. Goodbye. And don't forget to hit that button. Ring ring. Follow me. Follow for more, and motivate me at the same time. Show me the, you know, how we can do it and to make the world a better place. You see, I think success has no limit. Let's go for it. Thank you so much, and bye. Let me close the shop. Bye. Meet in another video.